Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing good. So, today I want to talk to you about the common myths that we all have about tarot card reading and tarot card readers. Also, I would like to tell you all about the common mistakes that we. Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing good. So, today I want to talk to you about the common myths that we all have about tarot card reading and tarot card readers. Also, I would like to tell you all about the common mistakes that we do while getting a reading done. So, first of all, when people ask me that how a tarot card reading is supposed to predict our energies and whatever is going to happen, and then they're shocked like how can the tarot card readers be so accurate. So first of all, tarot card reading is a combination of the reader's intuitions. Also, it's basically how tarot card readers connect with your personal energies. So it's nothing to do with general public predictions. It's always your energies a reader connects with, and then give you the answers basis your energies and your situations. So that is one. I hope you're able to understand. So, how a reading is done is clear. Second, what are energies? So, just like you all must have heard about aura, we also have energies. And more importantly, these energies are positive and negative in nature, considering whatever your mindset is. So, यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड कि अगर आप नींबू का पेड़ लगाओगे तो नींबू ही उगेगा. सिमिलरली, जिस माइंडसेट से आप अपनी सोच को रखोगे या अपने थॉट्स को सीड इन करोगे, उसी तरीके के एक्शंस भी आपकी लाइफ में होंगे. इफ़ यू आर वेरी नेगेटिव अबाउट योर लाइफ एंड यू कैन ऑलवेज सी कि यार मेरा तो ये काम नहीं हुआ, ऐसे नहीं हुआ, वैसे नहीं हुआ, तो फिर हमेशा नेगेटिव रिजल्ट्स ही आएंगे, बिकॉज दैट इज़ वॉट यू आर अट्रैक्टिंग. इफ़ यू थिंक पॉजिटिव इवन इन द नेगेटिव सिचुएशन, इफ यू थिंक दैट दिस is trying to teach you something, because all the negative things happening to us are all the negative things are trying to teach us something. So when once we have learned that, we can move forward to our next task. तो अब इसमें कन्फ्यूजन क्या है कि मेरी किस्मत ख़राब है या मैं कुछ सीखना नहीं चाहती. इट्स ऑल अबाउट योर माइंडसेट. इट्स जस्ट योर माइंडसेट. सेकेंडली, यही एनर्जीज के साथ व्हेन अ रीडर कनेक्ट्स विद योर एनर्जीज. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज कि आई एम अफ्रेड दैट कुछ रीडिंग में ऐसा आ गया कि मैं नहीं सुन सकती, मेरे को और शौक लग जाएगा, तो फिर क्या होगा? तो फिर आप अपनी एनर्जीज को नेगेटिव होने ही मत दो. कीप इट पॉजिटिव सो दैट यू गेट अ पॉजिटिव रीडिंग. एंड इफ इन केस there is a situation when the circumstances are not in your favor, then tarot is nothing a patthar ki lakeer. Tarot works on energies, and energies are deceptive. It can be. So you understand my point? Good energies can be turned into negative. If you, for example, a person comes to me and says ki I am in love with this person, so will we get married? So, and the card says yes, and then you start acting up, you start showing attitude, thinking कि भैया हमारी किस्मत में ये लिखा है कि हमारी तो शादी होगी, तो अब मैं एटीट्यूड दिखाऊं या मैं इसको इसके घर वालों से लड़वाऊं या मैं इसको से अपने काम कराऊं. तो फिर तो आपकी एनर्जीज आप चेंज कर रहे हो, आप सामने वाली की एनर्जीज भी चेंज कर रहे हो. अंडरस्टैंड? एंड सेकेंडली, इफ़ यू थिंक कि भाई इफ कार्ड से कि नॉट एट द मोमेंट आप लोगों का डेस्टिनी में आप लोग की एनर्जीज के हिसाब से यू कांट बी टुगेदर, बट if you maintain that willpower, if you maintain that energy, you can attract, and with your love and care you can attract that person in your life. So it's all about energies that you can do. So first thing, that tarot connects with your energies. Second, tarot never gives you a negative reading, it gives you a guidance. It tells you what kind of mindset you have and what repercussions it can have in the future. So it's all about your thinking, mindset, and the kind of energies you are in. Then, thirdly, tarot card readers are not God. Okay, no, none of us are gods. Okay, we can only help you identify the path that you have. So basically, sometimes we are so confused in our mindset. हम questions क्या पूछे हैं? So हम कुछ भी क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं एंड देन वी गेट कुछ भी आंसर्स एंड देन यू नो, राइट? Hence, the question that you ask should be one, clear. Second, you should always discuss about your situation if there is any, because sometimes you being new to the concept, or maybe there could be some questions which you may not think of asking, but we can suggest you asking, so to help you get a better neutral reading, right? So that is two. Thirdly, we should not ask one question more than one time. At max two to validate, but there should be enough trust, and we should ask it only once. अगर फिर भी आपको satisfied आंसर नहीं मिल रहा, then you can try again in 21 days. But एक ही रीडिंग में बार बार पूछ के आपको आंसर चेंज नहीं मिलेगा, because sometimes our human mind, our conscious mind is playing with us, and the answer we get, we are basically not expecting that answer. That is why we are never satisfied. Hence, and the best time to get a reading done, there should be like frequent breaks, because we should not get a reading done too frequently. There should be a bare minimum gap of 7 days or maybe 21 days, because by getting a reading done, you are not changing your energies. The energies stay intact. It helps you to get the guidance that you're looking for, but उस पे एक्शन लेने का काम सिर्फ आपका है. I hope I'm clear that every day you should not get a reading done, but obviously if you want to, you can. If there's a new situation every time, you can, but it will not help you. What will help you is getting the guidance, acting upon it. If there is any remedy that you are given, or maybe you want to do something, you want to take action basis the reading that you have gotten, then take the action, and after that let those energies process, and then take a reading after a gap of minimum 2-3 days. So that will help you. Hope I was clear in whatever I spoke about. One, don't get a reading too often. Secondly, frame your questions rightly. Third, be clear about your situation. Be open to talk about everything. And fourth, one more thing, like all the readers know that every client that comes to them, like I'm not just talking about myself, but I'm talking about all the readers, respects and maintains your confidentiality. Like, we don't discuss your cases with anyone, not even in our families, at least the readers I know, because we know that all of you come to us with a problem. Okay, so if there's anything that you think that we might leak out, no, it is not the case. Secondly, tarot cards reads connects with your energies, so there's not. Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing good. So today I want to talk to you about the common myths that we all have about tarot card reading and tarot card readers. Also, I would like to tell you all about the common mistakes that we